Rick P here, $395 an hour. This dude's crazy, but you can do that because you have the skills. This is a high income skill. You can do that, guys. What is going on? David O with you guys today with affiliate marketing. Today I got a special one. We're going to be talking about Google Ads certification. So if you don't know what Google Ads is, I'll explain it here in this video. We're going to cover what Google Ads Cert is, how to use it, the training, and where to go to actually start acquiring customers. So if you guys are new to this channel, my name is David O. I talk about affiliate marketing, online businesses, passive income, and also other ways to make money. So as I was saying, we are going to be talking about Google Ads certification, so you can get certified in order for you to run Google Ads on Google. And of course, that's where you get and promote or acquire customers, clients, and run their ads, and you could actually start getting paid through this. So we'll get a little bit more in depth about this. If you guys are new to this channel, please like and subscribe. I put out content like this every week. So if you want more information, subscribe. So let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, so we're talking about Google Ads certification. Pretty much this is how you get certified in Google so you can start running ads for other businesses. Doesn't matter if it's an online business or it can be a brick and mortar business. So you don't necessarily need this, but Google's going to recognize you, certify you, put you on their site, so when other people, other owners look it up, they could see that you're certified, you know what you're doing, how to run ads for other companies, and of course you charge them, they pay you, and you run ads in order for them to get more sales, more leads, and so forth. So what you're going to do is come to Google. You're going to type in Google Skill Shop. And here in Skill Shop, you're going to come up here where it says skillshop.withgoogle.com. Click on Skill Shop. And this is actually their site, their back-end site on how, it's pretty much like school and courses in Google for different trainings. So for today, we're going to look into Google Ads, but you could kind of see you can get certified in ads, marketing platforms, analytics, Google for My Business, pretty much all these type of certifications. If you go into ads specifically, we can go into search certifications, display, measurements, videos. You could kind of see all the way down. You can get certified in all these. The more you know, the more knowledge that you have, the more profitable you are, more marketable you are to other people. Today, we're just going to specifically look at Google Ads certification. So this is going to be their main site for certification, and right here they have two different types. They have a basic one and an advanced one. So what you're going to do is you're pretty much going to go through here, run through their courses or their training, and then at the end you're going to take an exam. If you pass that exam, you will get certified. If you don't, you're going to have to come back and retake it again. So, and it kind of explains to you what it actually is. So by earning a Google Ads search certification, Google recognizes you. They put you on their site and they recognize you, pretty much saying that you can translate a vision online marketing, develop Google search strategies, generate, plan, increase leads, and that's the biggest one, right? If we need leads to get sales, so we can convert them into sales and of course make money. So if the companies that you're going to be not promoting, but the companies you're going to be running, say brick and mortar companies online, if they make money, you make money. So this is what you do. So come down here, you're going to have your knowledge check assessment. And like I said, there's two different types. You have a basic one and you have an advanced one. Both of them do cost $50 to take the test. If you fail it, you do have to go back and pay another $50. But they're not going to throw any curveballs at you. Here's kind of like your little studying sheet that you're going to be studying. And of course, Google wants you to get certified, because if you get certified, you're profitable to other businesses. You bring their business to Google, and of course, Google makes more money. So of course, they want you to get certified. They're not going to throw any curveballs, and you have everything that's actually here for you to learn. This is a high income skill that you could acquire. Very, very marketable, very good on your site to have on your resume. Total big advantage for you when you are promoting or actually just getting clients. For example, give me an example. A lot of brick and mortar places out there, restaurants, stores, shops, they're actually run by older people, right? Older people, they don't really know too much about the internet, about computers nowadays. Now, I mean, especially like, let's say, running ads. That's where you have an advantage, where you can come to them actually bring them in as a client where you can run ads for them on the internet, get more eyeballs on their store, restaurant, whatever. Bring them into their restaurant or stores. They make more money, you make more money. So this is a huge advantage for you, and you don't even have to stop there. Like I said, there's so many certifications that they have that you can actually grow and be more marketable and actually be profitable as far as starting your own online business. So I just want to put this out there. Making money online is not always easy. So don't think just because you went through the Google ads training assessment test and you got certified that you know everything, which is far from the truth. So it does take time to acquire the skills, to know how to work it, what to do, but they give you the basic and they show you how to start, so you're not going to be completely in the dark. So yeah, everything takes time. Practice makes perfect. Okay, if you stick to it, you will be making money. Like Rick P here, $395 an hour. This dude's crazy, but you can do that because you have the skills. This is a high income skill. You can do that. Put in the work and you will get the results. So it will come to you. It will happen. So now you've actually gotten your certification. You took the test, you passed it. Google recognizes you. He says, hey, he's certified. He knows how to run either basic, advanced ads for us. He'll put you guys out there. Like other businesses can find you and recommend you and actually pay for your services, or you can actually go out and look for these companies. So one place you can actually go, you can go to Upwork. So I kind of already typed it in, Google Ads, and you can kind of see, check this out, people that run Google Ads, Facebook, LinkedIn. This guy's charging $200. He's made 900,000 bucks, 900 grand. He's already earned that. $95 an hour, 100. Where else can you get paid $100 an hour? Work from home and have just a couple clients. That's all you really need. You get a couple clients that you work with daily. You can charge them do their actual sales for them and get paid really, really well. This is what a high income skill is. You being actually you having the ball in your court and you actually pretty much call the shots. It's kind of how I see it. So another place is Fiverr. So not necessarily Google Ads, but like once you actually get into it, you can also start doing other stuff. So like right here, I set up optimize your Google Ads campaigns quickly, $170, right? Depending on the situation. Let's see, build and manage your email marketing campaigns. You know, you can actually open up more doors as you come in and pretty much run a whole online business at home via computer. Don't have to step out. You be your own boss, which is really, really awesome. Also go on to Facebook. So Facebook's also another good place to acquire clients. So you go to Facebook groups, you start interacting, you put yourself out there. Hey, I'm certified to run Google Ads. Let me help you out. You know, people are going to come to you once you have these certifications. So, and also I was talking in the beginning of this video that I do affiliate marketing. That's also another really awesome place to go to, because now you're starting to promote products online. You're pretty much driving traffic to a product where they can buy stuff. So you're just marketing, which is what you learn, right? The one place that I actually started, I learned my marketing and how to start my business through Legendary Marketer. So if you haven't heard of Legendary Marketer, I have talked about this in the previous videos. If you want, I'll leave a card up here so you can kind of see what it is, how to get started and so forth. But this is also another awesome program that I started how to do. And this is just a program where they teach you how to market. Okay, I am an affiliate for them. So of course, if I refer people to this program and they go and join in, I get a commission from that. That's how I make my money as well. But this is what they call a 15-day challenge. This is where you start off in the beginning and you learn the basics, not just from marketing. They also teach you psychologically how we think. They show you how to build a business, day 3 right here, which is actually one of my favorite days, because they show you, let's build a business in 30 days, which they show you right in front of you. So another thing that actually sold me was a business plan advisor. You have your advisor up here on the top right hand corner, and you go to them when you have questions, when you need help, advice, so forth. They actually hold your hand as you walk through this course. So they've been through it, they have knowledge, and they know how to help you out, which is also really awesome. So just think about it like this: your Google ads, you know how to run ads on Google, and then you get into this course and you know how to market, you build your own company, you know how to build your own email list, autoresponders. You're pretty much unstoppable. So if you do want some more information on this legendary program, I will have a link down at the bottom of the description here. And like I said, check out some of my other videos that I talk about it a little bit more in detail as far as what legendary marketer is, what you get, my honest truth, and so forth. But yeah, this is really recommend you guys, if you guys are into computers, have basic knowledge, want to start making money online, this is a really amazing, awesome thing to get into, because that's where the future is going to. It's all going to computers online, and there's only going to be more people and more people to get in it. Get in it right now. This is the time to get in it, to learn and start being profitable. So if you have any comments or any questions, please leave them in the comments there. I answer all of them. If you like this, if you like the information, if you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care, guys.